Introducing our third guest of honor for Garden State for the Weekend 2025. It's NIIC The Singing Dog. NIIC is a singer-songwriter hailing from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Inspired by his mother's dog Nikki, NIIC's green dog became one of the furry fandom's most iconic avatars, thanks to the now famous image drawn in 2013 by the talented artist Van Shuhai. Since then, he's produced a catalog of dozens of party songs about the furry fandom dating back to 2013. His performances in and out of fursuit have taken him through bars and festivals all over Philly, including one performance in front of 6,000 attendees. NIIC continues to connect everyone through his music and live streams, bringing together fans all over the world. Let's put our paws to the wall as we celebrate NIIC The Singing Dog, our third guest of honor for Garden State for the Weekend 2025.